Hi, welcome all to our new session. From today, I will start to give hands-on one of the AI tool every time. So to start with that, I have chosen Rapjam AI. In this, they have bunch of AI tools. Actual website is app.rapjam.ai, and but title says story jam, but when you check their project it says rap gpt, which we are going to check today. Then verbal combat, story jam, and character jam. I think they have chosen, they worked on first rap jam, they chose this website, then they have developed this another three tools. But from out of this four, the story jam, it seems working fine or working successfully for them. So it seems they have this uh, four project. So let's start with rap gpt, means rap jam. They have oh, so okay, let's click on again. They have this open API key for image generation. I think this mascot or avatar, they can from it can be created from this open API key, which I think it is paid. But apart from that, uh, if you want more concern about creating rap song, it's totally free. So whole website is free. There is no, apart from this open API key, I think there is nothing paid service. All are free. So if you go to main collection, they have for each day have whenever user create any rap song from prompt, it will all show here. So for each we can see for each day whoever created what is that particular song, we can see here. Just to uh, I think it is different, so I'm not sure what it is. So let's check again different thing. Then run down. So they have this like for rundown daily news, it is one of the prompt we can see here. Then for any topic, we can see here different rap songs are created. So let's try to create our own. So our YouTube channel topic is more about data. So I have opened this chat GPT here, and write prompt to create rap songs about programming language battle about who is best. So I haven't checked earlier, first time using this prompt. So okay, this prompt is quite huge, so I'm not sure if it will work or not, but let's check. And here we are, and just need to click on create my rap. It will take some few some time, around, it says 4 sec, but it's most of the time it takes more than that, or but for this it takes around 3 to 4 seconds only. So let's try to hear that song.
In the code class cipher, Python's on fire. It slithers through syntax like a smooth empire. Ruby's got flair, it ain't no joke. With elegant syntax and objects bespoke. JavaScript's nimble, quick as can be. It dances through browsers, setting pages free. C++ brings power with every line. Close to the hardware, it stands the test of time.
Okay, output is very cool. I liked it, and that's it about for today's session. We checked about this rap jam, and if you want to hear again, if anybody want to hear again, we can see it must be have like yeah. So mm, should be here somewhere. So yeah, this is same our this is our song which is titled as Battle Royal, and we have used this particular prompt. This whole new series is about tracking AI, which is my project currently ongoing. So I'm doing hands-on different AI. So what I'm doing at the uh, backend, I'm trying to show doing actual hands-on different AI, and with that videos I will try to show how to use that hands-on AI, and it may be helpful for you as well. So this is our first video for that, and with this battle we will start another review once in every while. I will start to review different AI tools as well, AI tools, device, whatever AI related we can do hands on for any tools, we will try to do on. Of course, for earlier, I will focus on more of free pro AI tools, but later, if I get chance, I will also work on paid AI tools as well. So that's it for today from for this topic. Let's meet on another session soon. Thank you.